What's up? We are here in Mastkhal. This is day 2 of the vlog. We are here with Alan and he's showing us around. He's the owner of Jack Homestay. So today we're gonna explore this beautiful place for a whole day and tomorrow as well. So we had a beautiful breakfast on the terrace with a view. Let me show you that video.
It's basically outdoor area where we are pitching our tent. If you are adventure lover, then you can pitch your tent over here and enjoy the beauty of the mountains. And in front of you all the glaciers are there, from Nanda Devi to Gangotri and Jalori Pass still.
So good.
एक बार हाँ उस टाइम जनवरी का टाइम था और मैं यहाँ पे कैंपिंग कर रहा था, ट्रेन बहुत अच्छा आ रहा था और शाम को बारिश हो गई स्टार्ट। नेक्स्ट डे जो हवा चल रही थी, मतलब रात को जो मॉर्निंग में हवा चल रही थी ना, मैं 5 बजे से वेट कर रहा था मॉर्निंग में और 9:30 बजे रुकी हवा। इतनी तेज थी मैं बाहर ही नहीं निकल पाया, मेरे को लगा टेंट टूट जाएगा, प्लीज अंदर ही जाओ। तो मैं पूरा लेटा हुआ था पैकअप होके, मैं उठा ही नहीं।
So यहाँ पे थोड़ी अभी शूट होगी. Gonna fly the drone, we're gonna take some pictures and then we're gonna spend another half an hour probably, and then we're gonna head out to another location. So if you guys are planning to come here, do get in touch with Alan because this is one of a kind homestay with an unobstructed view of the Himalayas. But try to come in winters or in summers. Right now तो fog से cover हो चुका है तो can't really see it, but it's still beautiful. Look at this view. So we finished our first little hike. We captured a couple of videos, we shot some reels, and we got some amazing drone shots too. And now we are going to another location. Yeah. Okay. So right now we are at the second spot for the day. It's a little waterfall. Ooh, the water is cold. So we have made it to this waterfall. So Alan is telling us about how we might encounter a bhalu over here, a bear. So कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं हम Alan अभी?
We are going on the top, and from there you can see the meadows, like a big patch of trees. So let's see.
This is one good thing about going out with a local is they know all these hidden places with amazing views. And we are very lucky to be out with Alan. You liking the trek, Kanika? View कैसा लग रहा है? How are you doing? गया. I honestly regret wearing a shirt right now. T-shirt पहना तो अच्छा हो जाता.
लकी हवा चल रही है.
हाँ वो भी है.
यहाँ पे ये होता है जब पसीना आता है और थोड़ा हवा चलती है ना, वो तो इतना रिलैक्स मिलता है, वो एकदम ठंडा लगता है.
मेट्रो के सामने खड़ी हो जाए.
So we are almost up there. काफ़ी हाइक हुई. And now yeah. But view is very nice. We are going through this dense jungle. है ना? You liking it? Tired? Now go ahead. Oh, check out the view. A bit tired, but so worth it. And as Alan promised, there's a cave over there. I can't see it now, but let me show it to you. Woo! The view. And here we are on the top. This looks like a scene from Lion King. Woo! Lovely. That's the cave. And we have made it to the top. Oh.
Congratulations.
This does feel like an achievement. Woo! Okay, I'm gonna show you our room now. I'm gonna show you the room. And the dog is here. So this is the homestay. We got a couple of rooms here, and they're building more rooms as well. Chalo, I'll tell. So right now the room is a bit messy because we came in last night and we kept all our stuff for charging. All our stuff is everywhere. Inside. Another amazing thing you can do is you can have such amazing delicious vegetarian food with this view. An unobstructed view of the mountains. So we have rice, we have chane ki sabzi, and we have a sabzi, chachinde ki sabzi. Don't really know what it is, but we're gonna try it. And some salads.